YouTube, it's Faye. And for today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the maintenance required light on a 2008 Toyota 4Runner. First of all, I should say this one is not on all the way. It's basically giving us that warning. So right now it's letting us know by flashing that it's not totally due, but it is super close to being due for its service. All right, so I'm going to press and hold the odometer reset button while I simultaneously turn the ignition on, but not the engine on. And that is what we should see happen, that flashing. Once that flashing is done, you can sort of validate it by starting up the vehicle. And this time the maintenance light did not flash at all, and it is 100% off. All right, thanks for watching, y'all. I hope someone found it helpful. All right, bye.